We're going to do a test on the Kidde Fire extinguishers. I have 11 of these. These are at least 7 years old or older. I have 11, and what we're going to do is take them outside and we're going to see if they function or not, because they're supposedly to last 10 years. Each one of these has green on the meter. I'm going to show you all of these, and I'm going to pull the pin. So there's 1, 2, 3. Some of these are pretty faded because they were outside on my tractor. There's 4, 5, 6. I'm going to have to find all these little pieces of plastic. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All the meters here are green. They're all in the green. Have one kind of real faded here, but as you can see, it's still in the green also. So now we're going to head outside. Okay, now we're outside. We're going to test each one of the fire extinguisher. So we're going to grab the first one and see if it works. Okay, it works fine. Well, that was all 11. And that's pretty good. They all worked. That's sad. Now I wasted 11 fire extinguishers. I'm going to buy new ones because they're too old. It looks like they would have still worked just fine. Thank you for watching this video. I have to give them a thumbs up 3 times. They worked really well. And these are all older than 7 years. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it. When you get a chance, if you would please subscribe to my channel, that would help us out. Thank you.